In this video I will show you how to smooth skin in Photoshop. Press Ctrl J to make a copy layers. Hide this first layer. Select the second layer. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Noise and choose Median. Follow these settings and press OK. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Follow these settings and press OK. Change the blending mode to Overlay. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur and choose Blur. Unhide the first layer. Change the blending mood Vivid Light. Go to Filter, Other and choose High Pass. Follow these settings and press OK. Go to Filter, Noise and choose Add Noise. Follow these settings and press OK. Now we will flatten all these layers by pressing Shift. Press Ctrl G to group. Right-click and choose Blending option. Alt-press Move. Press OK. Add a layer mask. Press Ctrl I to inverse. Go to Brush tool. Now we'll start brushing the face. I'm just going around like this to teach you. Follow the process. I can clear it up with this too. Follow the process. And before and after. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.